Welcome to Today Devotional 24 channel on YouTube. Get ready for morning prophetic declarations with Pastor Jerry Eze on the new season Prophetic Prayers and Declarations, NSPPD, Altar of Fire. These powerful prayers, taken from the NSPPD Live weekday sessions, bring miracles, breakthroughs, deliverance, and open doors. All you need is faith. Put it on the line, and your miracle is just a moment away. Join Pastor Jerry Eze now and step into your instant prophetic unction. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, and drop a comment in the comment section. God bless you.
Let your image on the louder. Let your image rise. Let your image rise. I don't know who this prayer is for, but on this fullness of answer, whatever that is going on in your life, in Kabbalah that brought you shame and pain, if the hand of a man or a woman is involved, the sound of your image, let fire answer. 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 It is broken. It is broken. It is broken. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. To one of the churches in the book of Revelation, the Lord said, I know where the seat of Satan is. I know where the seat of Satan is. I know where the seat of Satan is. People of God, we are talking about the church. We are talking about people of God. We are talking about people. How did Satan put his seat among God's people? How did Satan put his seat in your father's house? How did Satan put his seat in your health? How did Satan put his seat in your calling? How did Satan put his seat where your father is, where your sister is, where your brother is? The devil is a liar. 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 Somebody shall fire. Shall fire. Shall fire. Hear me as I hear the Lord. Any seat the enemy has taken, alright, he will leave it now. Somebody shall fire. Shall fire. Shall fire. Say today I declare the word of the Lord over my life. He make it his angels, spirit, his ministers, flames of fire, flame of fire, flame of fire, flame of fire. Say I arise like the fire that I am. I arise as a moving fire. I ask from my family to my career, to my city, to my nation, to my journey, wherever the enemy, wherever Satan has put his seat, I say no. You and your seat, you and your seat, you and your seat, right now. Fire, 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 fire. Say today, seat of poverty, let me hear you say fire. Say seat of sickness, somebody shall fire. Say seat of rising and falling, somebody shall fire. On the seat of autism, somebody shall fire. Shall fire. Shall fire. Shall fire. Say today, wherever the enemy has kept his seat, never again. Never again, never again, never, 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 right now, fire, 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 somebody shall fire. Somebody shall fire. NSPPD, we are still on this prayer. And when Jesus got to the temple, the Bible said he overturned the tables of the money changers. And he destroyed the seat of them that soul doves, lift up your voice, fire, fire. Say today, we are ready. The enemy has kept a table and a seat in my career, in my office, in my city. Say not tomorrow. Say right now, right now, right now. Back your Lord, back your Lord, back your Lord, back your Lord. Get out. Radio Emerage, Radio Emerage, Radio Emerage, Radio Emerage, Balakotonaya. And when Herod was talking, he spoke so proudly, and the people said, his voice is like the voice of God. And an angel said, you play God, you go down. You play God, you go down. You play God, you go down. You are like God, you go down. Okay, what is acting like a God in your life? What is acting like a God? In the same manner that Herod went down, the sound of your amen, I announce, let them go down. Let them go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Right now. 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 Whosoever is dancing in the dark, so that you will cry in the light. Whosoever is dancing in the dark, so that you will cry in the light. Let it be river. Let it be river. Let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Any wicked elder using the lives of family members to renew their wickedness, to renew their own life, I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Mysteries of negativity, you don't know where they are coming from. That is operational over your life, over your family. I announce, let them be broken. Let them be broken. Let them be broken. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Wherever they took your name to, your picture, your clothes, your body fluid, Ibarakadabala, Ishakadabala, Tata, Rekodabalabasha, Rabiadabalaba, Kachalaba, Oborokodo, the sound of your amen, I announce, let it be broken. Let it be broken. Let it be broken. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Something will happen today between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Nigerian time. And now the sound of your amen, it will be the end of your battle. It will be the end of your battle. It will be the end of your battle. Right now. 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 Somebody shall fire. Don't let the fire fall. Oh my God, NSPPD, this is our global crusade. Thunder again, shout and roar. Roar. Wherever your name is being called upon right now. Roar. Roar. Wherever your name is being called upon right now. Shout and roar. Let your fire fall. Let your fire fall. Let your fire fall. Jafire, 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 Balakotoya, and in the island of Melita, Rekotolabala, the barbarous people, according to Paul, showed us no little kindness, and it was raining, and Paul had gathered sticks, in order to put into the fire, as he was trying to put the sticks into the fire, a viper came out of the fire, a viper came out of the fire, a viper came out of the fire. NSPPD, just lift up your two hands. Prayer number one, wherever a viper is hiding, wherever wherever they are hiding, wherever they are hiding, wherever their ordinances, we are refa, we are refa, we are refa, we are kaka, the sound of your amen. Let fire push them out. 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 I say, come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. You cannot hide. Come out. You cannot hide. Come out. You cannot hide. Fake friends, fake people, wicked people who are acting nice. Let fire expose them. Any domestic staff in your life, any staff of yours, any boss of yours, who has been covering up, those who did wickedness, and they are acting nice, the sound of your amen, let fire push them out. Any tumor, any cancer hiding anywhere in your body, any infirmity, any affliction hiding anywhere in your body, Rakabada, Rokotodaba, Rababa, Rakodobosia, Ayaya, Barakodo, Rabiada, the sound of your amen, let fire push them out. Let fire push them out. Any spirit of stubbornness in your children, any seed that is not of God, whatever they planted in your business or whatever they planted in your career, the sound of your amen, let fire push them out. Let fire push them out, 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 right now, 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 let your image on now. Let your amen rise. 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 Somebody thought that they meant it for evil, but they're wrong. Turn it for my God. Let your amen turn out. Let your amen rise. Let your amen rise. My God, who put dust on your glory? The sound of your amen, I announce, awake, 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 right now, 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 right now. Somebody foundation that the Lord my God is a consuming fire. Thunder the Lord my God is a consuming fire. Thunder the Lord my God is a consuming fire. NSPPD when we are thundering, let the fire fall. We are saying, let God come down. Let God come down. For he said, I am a consuming fire. 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 When we declare, let the fire fall, we are asking, let the consuming fire. Whatever I say, I want you to scream it. Let the fire fall. Where there are evil foundation, I want to say it again. Where there are evil foundation, my God, my God, my God, where there are battles to take your life, where there are sicknesses on your body, where every member of your family is under bondage, any child that is autistic, any child with slow development, wherever they hijack your marital destiny, wherever they hijack the greatness of your destiny, let your amen rise. Let your amen rise. Let your amen rise. Let your amen rise. If your amen was under, I see 300 and 29 angels. For one will be responsible for thousands upon thousands. And the sound of your amen. This is what the Lord said. Where there's been a stubborn challenge, 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 by the ministry of the angels, the sound of your amen, let them be uprooted. Let them be uprooted. Let them be uprooted right now, 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 right now. Somebody hear me. Evil will no longer make progress in your life. Another person hear me. Your life will no longer be an example of negativity. Your life will no longer be an example of negativity. Your life will no longer be an example of negativity. You will not be called the woman with the cancer. You will not be called the mature lady that is not married. You will not be called the parents of that autistic child. You will not be called the people that die prematurely. You will not be called the man that keeps taking drugs all the time. Let the siege be broken. Let the siege be broken. I announce your soul has escaped. Let your amen rise. Let your amen rise.